some backup.
Spotted her. Sending a mark. I hope I will be MVP today. Double penetration? Will a third one fit? Sorry for being late. Don't tell me it's the battery again. The girl seems pleased.
You should have seen this. We could have easily failed.
Calm down, sweetie. At least next time you won't be so soft on the mechanic.
Zephyr. Yeah. Touch me, fix me right. Yeah. Something's bleeding through the fault line. Five bodies locked, we blurred the design. Different heat signatures, same addiction. Mechanics know just where to go. They know we let them run before the show. Dancing on the edge of the divide. Cruising with the void open wide. Zephyr rewriting the glitch tonight. Trust the hands to make us fight. Fire pilots where the danger gets close. Stripped down to chrome, they handle the most. Let them tune the engine while the city blows. Zephyr and the crew, that's the lethal dose. We unite. Zephyr saves the night.
Watch this.
He's mine. Wait, why did I call it a he? Maybe because it's trying to ruin your day?
I'll hold the line. Alex is on the way.
Dead battery. Again. Well, at least we're consistent. Manage your power, kid. I can't babysit you forever.
Sorry, I just get a little carried away, you know?
Any progress?
Online!
We need backup! Now! No! Watch your own back! Look! Zero is down! We're next!
The girls are gonna be thrilled. Some of them been turning their own wrenches for a week now.
I was an ace in the academy.
Oh, the academy. Impressive.
The main thing is that you know about the optimal friction.
Is that?
Focus.
Say hello to your new guardian angel!
Yeah! I'm not the only June anymore!
Bet you didn't expect this kind of assignment, huh?
Actually, it's...
Listen, we're high maintenance. You gotta have the right touch.
Naomi, don't scare the poor June!
My name is Kai. Just...
Kai-Jun, huh?
Kaijun? Kaijun?
Mira, meet your new mechanic.
Are you kidding me? Come on, we need boys now and you know it.
How else, Cappy?
No more mechanics. Not right now. Bye, June. Good luck with her.
It's just one of those days when you don't want to wake up.
Whoa! You hear that? So, you're the new mechanic guy? Who's not afraid to die?
I didn't know I'd be assigned to this team.
You'll be dead the second you step outside. Bugs pincers in the butt open wide. That's a fact.
You're Zero, right?
Is it true that you...
You don't ask questions until you're to know me better. You gotta... Whatever. I'm out. Boring. Okay.
Clean my barrel.
What?
Clean my barrel. Tomorrow.
Get the f away from my mech.
I was just checking the vitals. Everything is...
You don't know shit. Go check the rest and stay out of my cockpit.
I've already. Trust me, I know these systems inside out.
You've seen the manuals, not the monsters.
Pray those are just usual bugs. And pray even harder that we don't need your ass out there.
Call the crew at midnight, said let's go. Got my heels on, but the steel toe. Check the forecast, something's in the air. When we roll up, better say your prayers. Lipstick loaded, ready for the thrill. We always going for the kill. Body crashers breaking through the seas. Dancing deadly, know just what we mean. Looking pretty while we...
We'll make a fortune.
It's an outfit check when the weapon's hot. Could've just to hide the blood spot. 5 different styles, one single go. When the high breaks, we take control. Champagne wishes, caviar dreams. We're really tearing at the seams. Body crashers breaking through the seams. Dancing deadly, know just what we mean. Looking pretty while we intervene. Bombs don't stand a chance when we convene. Pilots think we run this ship. Impacts when we catch the drift. Hold the line, bring the speed. Precision sharp, take it. Countdown. The night is ours tonight. No one will see it. We came to slay. Girls are casually. Lock the grid on the night. Perfect fit. has teeth and wings.